Welcome to Tax Preparation Services with Sidekick Accounting. We're glad you're here. Here's what to expect when you work with us for preparing your annual tax returns. We'll utilize a series of forms in a secure tax portal hosted by Cognito Forms for a smooth, streamlined process. Please be reassured that if you have any questions throughout the process, you can contact our team at tax@sidekick-accounting.com so that we can support you. Step 1. You'll start at our deposit page. The first 2 pages provide some important information about deadlines that we need you to review, as well as details about our pricing so you know what to expect. Moving along in the form, the remaining pages will collect your contact information and information relevant to your tax situation. At any time, you can save and resume your deposit form as long as you have gotten past the field where you enter your email address. You will then receive an email with a button to resume your deposit form through the Cognito Forms portal we've created for you. If you don't see the email in your inbox, please check your spam or junk folder. Whenever you click a resume button, you'll be asked to provide a verification code sent to your email. This is for the security of your information. You can save and resume as many times as you'd like. You'll use the same login process each time you resume, as well as in step 2. Just make sure you use the same email address that you originally submitted. Whether or not you utilize the Save and Resume feature, make sure you complete the form fully. The final page will ask you to submit a 50% deposit based on the form's calculations. We can't move on to step 2 until you hit submit. After completing the form, you'll receive an automated email confirming your submission. Be sure to open it, as it will contain checklists that you can use to start gathering information that our team will need to collect from you. You don't need to submit the checklists. They are for your own use and reference. That leads us to step 2, completing your tax questionnaires. About 1 to 2 business days after submitting your deposit form, our team will assign 1 or more tasks for you through the Cognito Forms portal, based on the types and years of tax returns that you need us to prepare. You'll receive email notices as these tasks are assigned to you. The portal is the same one utilized for the Save and Resume feature that you may have used in step 1 for your deposit form. If you didn't use it at that time, that's just fine. You'll get to check out the portal now for the first time. Each task is a secure questionnaire where we'll gather essential information and documents. For example, if you only need us to prepare last year's personal tax return, you'll only receive 1 task, which is to complete a 1040 personal questionnaire. In this example, I submitted a deposit for both a personal return and an S-Corp return, so I received 2 notices. It actually doesn't matter which email you open. The link takes you to the same portal, while the first pop-up will be the questionnaire associated with that email. You can close out of it and see all the tasks you were assigned. Here, you can see both of the 2025 returns I submitted a deposit form. However, if you need to do back taxes or have additional businesses or a nonprofit organization, you'll be assigned additional questionnaires for each return that you need, and you'll see those listed here as well. The portal gives you an organized, manageable to-do list regardless of how many returns you need. If you need to submit an additional deposit for other returns that you didn't submit in the first deposit, please use the link in the portal on the left-hand menu. We encourage you to log out of the portal when you step away from your computer. Keep your information secure. Please note, we will not begin preparing your return until we receive your submitted questionnaire. We'll process returns in the order in which we receive the questionnaires, which is step 3, preparing your return. Our tax team will work as quickly as possible, but please submit your information early to help us, as we support many clients and are navigating multiple deadlines. Your main part is done, but please keep an eye on your email. Our team will contact you if any additional information is needed for your return. Step 4. We'll email a draft for you to review, along with a summary of any tax refunds or liability, and a link to an invoice for the remaining balance due. The draft will be watermarked as well as redacted for the security of your information. Please review your draft return and pay your invoice promptly. We cannot move forward until you do so. As soon as your invoice is paid and you approve the draft, we'll send you the final version for your e-signatures. This is critical. We can't file without them. We'll email the request through our e-signature service, which is called Progress Share File or Progress Write Signature. If the return requires a spouse signature, they will receive a separate signature request at the email we have on file. Lastly, once your return has been signed, we'll file electronically on your behalf. You will receive an email when we receive confirmation that your return has been accepted. If for any reason your return is not accepted by the IRS or state, we will work with you to navigate what is needed to resolve it. If you have any questions, please contact us. We are looking forward to helping you make this tax season a smooth and successful one.